Travelzork presents Nightlife in downtown Las Vegas, Fremont Street and Fremont East. Downtown Las Vegas is a vibrant hub of activity, renowned for its unique blend of vintage charm and modern flair. While the Las Vegas Strip often steals the spotlight, downtown, particularly the areas around Fremont Street and Fremont East, offers a distinctive nightlife experience. From historic venues to cutting-edge clubs, here's a look at some of the must-visit nightlife spots in downtown Las Vegas. Fremont Street Experience. The Fremont Street Experience is a pedestrian mall and attraction that stretches 5 blocks in downtown Las Vegas. Known for its massive LED canopy and light shows, it's also home to several iconic nightclubs. Troy Liquor Bar, situated inside the Golden Nugget, is a staple of the downtown nightclub scene. Known for its energetic atmosphere and stunning views of Fremont Street, Troy offers a mix of hip-hop, EDM, and top 40 hits. The spacious dance floor, VIP booths, and lively crowd make it an ideal spot for those looking to dance the night away in style. For a more unorthodox nightclub experience, Hogs and Heifer Saloon delivers a rowdy, no-holds-barred party atmosphere. This biker bar-inspired venue is known for its wild bartenders, who often dance on the bar, and its extensive selection of beers and spirits. The vibe is unapologetically raucous, appealing to those looking for a night of unabashed fun. Whiskey Liquor Up, located at Binion's Gambling Hall, is a dynamic bar and nightclub offering panoramic views of Fremont Street. It boasts the only revolving bar in Las Vegas, providing a unique and ever-changing perspective of the action outside. The venue offers a wide selection of whiskeys, cocktails, and live entertainment, making it a favorite for both locals and visitors looking for a vibrant nightlife spot. Fremont East District. Adjacent to the Fremont Street Experience, Fremont East District is an up-and-coming area known for its trendy bars, eateries, and nightclubs. It's the place to go for a more contemporary and eclectic nightlife scene. Commonwealth is a chic 2-story cocktail bar and nightclub that combines a vintage aesthetic with modern sensibilities. Its rooftop patio offers stunning views of Downowing, making it a popular spot for a night out. Commonwealth is known for its expertly crafted cocktails and its eclectic mix of music, ranging from indie to electronic. Disco Pussy is a nightclub that lives up to its bold name with an equally bold atmosphere. The club features a massive illuminated octopus sculpture that hangs from the ceiling, setting the stage for a night of high-energy dancing. With a focus on electronic dance music, EDM, Disco Pussy is the go-to spot for those looking to immerse themselves in the beats of top DJs. For a more intimate and exclusive experience, the Laundry Room, hidden within Commonwealth, is a speakeasy-style bar that offers a quiet retreat from the bustling nightlife outside. Entry is by reservation only, and the venue is known for its personalized cocktail service and relaxed, cozy ambiance. Downtown Cocktail Room. A pioneer in the downtown cocktail scene, Downtown Cocktail Room, DCR, is a sophisticated lounge known for its innovative drinks and stylish decor. The intimate setting and dim lighting create a perfect atmosphere for conversation and connection. DCR frequently hosts live DJ sets, providing a laid-back yet engaging nightlife experience in downtown Las Vegas. Velveteen Rabbit. Located a bit off the beaten path in the Arts District, Velveteen Rabbit is a trendy bar and nightclub known for its creative cocktails and artistic vibe. The venue features a rotating menu of drinks, live music, and themed events, making every visit a unique experience. The Cat's Meow. The Cat's Meow is a lively karaoke bar that brings a fun and interactive element to the downtown nightlife scene. Known for its energetic atmosphere and enthusiastic crowds, the Cat's Meow offers a chance for patrons to take the stage and showcase their singing talents. With a wide selection of songs and a supportive audience, it's a great spot for both karaoke enthusiasts and those looking to enjoy a night of entertainment. That being said, downtown Las Vegas, particularly around Fremont Street and Fremont East, offers a rich tapestry of nightlife options. Whether you're looking for the classic Vegas vibe at places like Troy Liquor Bar, the boisterous fun of Hogs and Heifers, or the modern, trendy atmosphere of Commonwealth and Disco Pussy, there's something for everyone. Each venue brings its own unique flavor to the downtown scene, ensuring that every night out is an adventure. So next time you're in Las Vegas, venture downtown and discover a different side of the city's famous nightlife.